Hello to all YouTubers and subscribers of my channel. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on a Redmi 12. Don't forget to subscribe to the Repairuz channel if you haven't already, like it, and leave a comment.
Close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.